Let's say you had a virtual Zoom presentation, or you were giving an in-person physical presentation and using your device. You would click Present, and when you do, you can click Standard, Autoplay, or Presenter View. Present, and now it turns your device into a presentation screen. There you have it. Let's escape. There we are. And if you want to present and record, this is useful if you are creating a course, say, or creating a course, whether it be for your students, for your business, for your school. Then you would go ahead and use this design as your presentation. And when you go to your recording studio here, let's go to Recording Studio. We're going to give Canva access. Now you have the ability to create this presentation. And you don't see my face right now as it's covered by my webcam cover, but you would see your face populate right there. Select the microphone and start recording, or go back to editing. Hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next video.